Hello everyone, I am Kritika Bhatt and I am 13. I study in the Millennium School Noida in the 8th standard. I am a published author and I have an anthology of my own by the name of Poetic Verses by Kritika Bhatt. Today I am going to recite a poem I have composed on the Gallantry Award winner Gunjan Saxena. She has won the Shaurya Veer Award. The title of my poem is The Flying Girl and it goes like this. A resilient little tale, a tale of a girl who clung to hope when hiccups time hurled. Her dreams surprised as unpalatable, teeming with hurdles her journey. Her faith in herself to find the stars finally found her heaven likely. Wide eyes glazed, gaping at the blue that doesn't cease, the clouds caroling in the sky, daring her to reach and meet. And the mature Nephophile's eyes shone and shimmered with steel and determination as she braved through the toilsome trail to protect her nation. Through the creeks and canyons to save lives, the silent but salient stealthily flies. For she is a flower among the clouds, she is like sunlight, she is a thrall in the battle arena. For this is a resilient little tale, a tale of little girl and inspiration, Gunjan Saxena. The girl who never gave up on her ever soaring dreams. The girl who inspired me to fight when things are larger than they seem. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. You're capable, prove it until you have shown the truth to each. Thank you.
आओ सुनाती हूँ तुमको शौर्य गाथा उस वीर की जिसने रक्षा भारत माता के शील की। 3 जुलाई 99 की वो बर्फीली रात थी, लिए चुनौती घातक प्लाटून कर रही सीधी चढ़ाई थी। टाइगर हिल को था अपने कब्जे में लेना, इसलिए इस लक्ष्य को लेकर चल पड़ी योगेंद्र सिंह यादव की सेना। कर रहा था दुश्मन भारी गोलाबारी, लेकिन योगेंद्र सिंह यादव ने हिम्मत ना हारी। टाइगर हिल पर पुनः लहराई तिरंगे की शान, की भारत माता की रक्षा और बचाए प्लाटून की आन। मिली प्रेरणा मुझको भी जब जानी मैंने यह बात, किया प्रण मन ही मन करूंगी कुछ ऐसा, दुनिया रखेगी इसे याद। जुड़ूंगी मैं भी सेना से जब बड़ी हो जाऊंगी, जरूरत पड़ी तो मैं भी जंग में जाऊंगी। करने पड़े अगर प्राण भी निछावर, एक पल भी ना घबराऊंगी। हंसते हंसते अपना शीश भारत माता को चढ़ाऊंगी। जय हिंद।
On 31st of January 1923, in the district of Kanha, came to life Major Somnath Sharma. It was the 3rd of November 1947 at 1100 hours. 500 attacked, and with bullets he was showered. He was attacked from all three sides of his company. Casualties were many. Fully realizing the situation's gravity, he ordered his company to fight vigorously. They were outnumbered heavily, but they fought 1-7 gallantly. Over the open ground, he ran to and fro in the full view of the enemy, while laying down cloth strips to guide the aircraft and being shot at heavily. Realizing the casualties were making his light automatics a disaster, his left hand being in a plaster, he personally started filling magazines and started giving them to the gunners of light machines. One mortar shell landed in the center of his ammunition, leading to his death, but in a great explosion. But his courage, bravery, and leadership were so great, it gave his troops inspiration for 6 hours to hold his position. He is the one that motivates me to do the best for my country, to help the poor and reduce tensions and fires, and he makes me desire to make the country I love soar high and up above.
Walking on sunshine, barefoot on grass, observing the motherland's magnificence closely, they write a happy letter to their loved one, hiding all feelings of them being lonely. Above is the eye-pleasing radiant sky, where all the clumsy little birds are flying high. A warm yet pleasant breeze blowing, green leaves on trees rustling, melodious bird chirps and aromatic smells of fresh soil. Reminiscing the days of sweet old childhood, where they would eat sweets in the pastoral land, while their mother anointed their head with oil. Stand, a nation's warriors, fighting like lions, with a heart that keeps the devotion-filled flame alive within them, and helps them remain inspired. Bravery and courage run in their veins, from being half-eaten eternally by the fields of horizon. to the sorrow of seeing the dead faces of their martyred comrades. Nothing holds them back from laying out their patriotism. They teach us how we are young, but should not let anyone treat us as if we are not of any cause. They teach us how we can be an example for the society. They inspire us to become citizens that people can look up to.
देश के वासी हैं जिसके कण कण में वीर गाथाएं हैं। हर बेटी लक्ष्मीबाई है और बेटा शिवाजी भी। गोलियों के बौछार के बीच ईद हमारी मन्नती है। तुम रावण वहां जलाते हो, हम गीत जीत के गाते हैं। दुश्मन एक हो या 49, हम सरहद पर अड़े रहें। आज आए जो देश पर सीना ताने डटे खड़े। भले लगे सीने में गोली, कसम हमें है केसरी की। दुश्मन के खेमे में घुसकर खेलेंगे हम फिर होली। ए माँ तेरी मीही के लाल कफन बांध कर निकले हैं। शान में गीत गाएंगे या फिर तिरंगे में लपेटे आएंगे। राखी पर तिलक लगाया था तब, माटी से तिलक लगाया अब। ए भारत माँ तेरी खातिर ऐसे 100 जान कुर्बान।